Hey friend, come on in for a bedroom update. My name is Cleveland, aka Cleve.Interior on TikTok and Instagram, and in today's video, I'm upgrading my bed to the one mattress from Casper, adding a second nightstand, and finally adding a rug underneath my bed. So let's get into it. All right, that is everything for this bedroom update. I am very happy with this bed upgrade. Just to be transparent, Casper did gift this mattress to me. However, this video is not sponsored. By far, my favorite part of this update is the rug. I have been looking for a rug for a very long time. I originally was looking for something that was blue and also had dots on it, but going into Ikea and looking for lamps, I just stumbled across it, fell in love with it, and I think it works very, very well in the space. If you also like the rug or found this video interesting, give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. In my next update, we're heading back into the bathroom to lay down some peel and stick floor tile. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss that update. If that update is out already, you'll be able to click here and watch it now. If not, you'll be able to watch my previous bathroom update in the meantime. I hope this helps with some ideas for your space, and I'll see you in the next update.